Hello everyone. Surely something plastic is broken and you don't know how to fix it. Here is a great solution with baking soda and super glue to fix a plastic part. So enjoy the video and learn how to repair any plastic part. First, we take some soft mixture. It can be plasticine, clay, or dough. Whatever you have, use it. Now we press the shape we need into the dough, and later we pour baking soda and super glue and shape the broken part. We put the broken part and now we pour glue and baking soda. We put a little soda, a little glue in layers and so on until we form a shape. When we do that, it remains for us to file the desired shape. And that's it. We fix broken scissors in a very simple way.